Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. Okay, today in this video I am gonna show you that how to download Instagram Reels video in gallery without any app, which is new update. So actually sometimes you like a reel very much and you want to download it or save it in your gallery and you don't know the method and you don't want to waste it. Okay, if you see this video, you always save your reels, your favorite reels. Okay, first of all, before starting the video, I am telling you that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store and make sure your Instagram is update. So Instagram is not updated, so click on update. So after updated the Instagram, you have to go to the Instagram. This is, and you can see that this is my Instagram, and you have to go to the reels. So click on it, reel option. So this is the reel. If you want to download it, you have to click on the three dot line option, and you can see that the first is share and then link, save, remix, sequence. You don't click on the save because the video is not saved. If you click on it, you have to click on the link option and then go back and then go to the Chrome and write here Insta save and then click on Insta save. So you can see that this is the paste Instagram URL and then enter your URL. So you have, after entering, you have to click on download. Wait some seconds. So close that and you can see that this is the download option. Click on it, download option, and the video is started downloading and the video is downloaded. So click on open option. So you can see that the video is saved to your gallery. So through this easiest process, you can download Instagram Reels video in gallery without using any app. So in this process, if you face any problem or any hurdle, you can comment me. I will try my best to solve your problem. Thanks.